Assalamualaikum and hello. Today I'm going to share with you about the importance of online databases and how to use it. Okay, but first, what is library database? According to Encyclopedia Britannica, library database, also called electronic database, is a collection of data or information specially organized for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. A library database is a searchable electronic index of published, reliable resources. The information found in databases is either originally created or comes from different reliable sources. Why do you need database to search for articles for your assignment, and what is the importance? There are several importance of library databases, which is they are ideal for in-depth research on complex topics. They contain a large amount of research written by professionals. They include easy-to-add limits to help refine search and pinpoint topics. Authorship and publication information is clear, along with citation information. There are no advertisements or paid placements. Most of the content in these databases is only available through the library, and the library has purchased access to hundreds of databases on your behalf, so it's free for you to use. Okay, next, library databases or the websites. Which one should I choose? What is the difference between library database and the website? They both are tools that allows you to find the answers that you need for your research. When you're using websites like Google and Yahoo, you are searching a very large database of free websites. Problem is there are no quality controls governing these websites. The information is not always complete or accurate. And because anyone can create a website, then the content of the websites may be unreliable. Why you should use library database? It is searchable collection of research made up of rich descriptive records research that have been reviewed for accuracy, and our library subscribes this for you. How is the library database different from a website search engine? Library database cost money and your institution paid for them for you, because they contain target and accurate information that comes from credible resources. Most of this research cannot be accessed by a search engine like Google or Yahoo. Library databases are developed by information specialists, so they meet the needs of you. Okay, so you might ask when you should use search engine websites like Google and Yahoo. Sometimes Google also very useful in quick search of answer. Google also can be used to get information in current news, entertainment, and shopping. While library databases is where you can build the most effective search and access the most reliable research. Library database is very useful to find information, especially in newspapers, magazine articles, biographical informations, directories, and more. I guarantee you will be able to produce a quality assignments if you use the library database effectively. Okay, for the next topic, I will show you how to access online databases subscribed by UiTM Library. Okay, there are two ways that you can use to log in, which is first, go to UiTM Library Perlis website at perlis.library.uitm.edu.my, and to find the articles that you want, just click our collection. And then, scroll down the page and you will see online database and click it. But to use this online database, you need to fill in your ID and password, your metric number for the ID, and your IC number for the password. And for the second way, go to mykm.uitm.edu.my and click the login button and fill in your ID and your IC number, same as just now. Just to remind the users, please don't share your ID and password to others, especially to the person that are not from the UiTM, to avoid from excessive download and others unwanted things. Okay, first I will fill in mine first. Click I accept the terms and condition and submit. Okay, this page will appear. Okay, so from this page, you can search your articles by name, by format or by subject. Usually, students will use these e-resources websites for online databases format. Just click it, and all of the databases subscribed by UiTM will be appeared. Okay, next is by subject, which is a famous way among students that use the online database. For example, if you are from Faculty Computer and Science, so when you click Computer Science subject, all of the materials about the computer science will appear on the screen. Okay, here one tips that I want to share with you, which is don't forget to click Expand all descriptions button. This will give you the summary and some information about the database appeared on the screen. Okay, look at Wiley Online Library. UiTM subscription to Wiley Online Library consists of books related with civil engineering and construction. Okay, here is one tips that I want to share with you. Don't forget to click Expand or Descriptions button. This will give you the summary and some information about the database appeared in the screen. Such as Wiley Online Library, as you can see, your ITM subscription to Wiley Online Library consists of books related with civil engineering and construction, ebooks related with computer science. So, other than the subject that has been stated here, cannot be downloaded as it is not subscribed by the UiTM. Okay, so now I will try to access Science Direct database. Okay, before we key in the keyword, here is the tips for the searching. Try to use quotation marks around the phrase to ensure the words are searched in the order that we want. Such as, I'm using communication protocols, and then click search. Okay, did you notice on the left side of this page, there are several buttons that can filter and refine your search based on the dates, article type, publication title, subject areas, and access type. But if you can't find or can't download the articles that you need, don't worry. You can contact our librarian using Chat with Librarian. Okay, how to chat with the librarian? At the library website, click our service, choose live chat with librarian. Okay, another tips about downloading the articles. You can download multiple articles by click all the articles that you want, and then go above the page and you see this, then click download 6 article. The articles will be downloaded as zip file. You just need to extract the file and you can use it. No need to download one by one anymore. Okay, next I will share with you about the quick tips and shortcuts in using online library database. First, try using the advanced search within a database. This gives you more than one box and allows you to search several relevant keywords at once. Second, using Boolean operators, and or not. By using these operators, it can help narrow or broaden your search in the library database. An easy way to narrow your search is to use the word and between two or more keywords, though and is the default for most databases and you typically will not have to type it out. It's useful to know how it works. And retrieves only those results that contain all of your keywords. For example, a search for cat and dog will retrieve only those results that contain both keywords, not simply one or the others. However, if you want to expand your search, use the operators OR. For example, cat or dog. This technique will allow you to retrieve results that contain the keywords cat, dog, or cat and dog. Finally, you can use the operator NOT to exclude keywords from your search results. For example, if I want to retrieve information about animals, not cats, and even though I actually love cats so much, using NOT will eliminate what I don't want, saving my time and energy I would have otherwise spent combing through my results. The third tip is be careful about doing search that is too broad or too narrow. You can use quotation marks around a compound terms to help you narrowing your search results. Okay, here I will show you some example. I will use the keyword that I used before, which is communication protocols, but without the quotation marks. Okay, you will see that the databases found over 300,000 of results. Obviously, that is too many to sift through. And you may also notice that not all of them are about communication protocols. Okay, now we try to add the quotation marks and search. There are a big difference of result after you put the quotation mark. That's why you need to use quotation marks for the keywords to ensure that the databases doesn't split apart the words communication and protocols.
Okay guys, I think this is all from me. As always, if you need help throughout the research process, don't hesitate to contact our librarian for help. Thank you for spending your time to watch this video. I hope this video will help you a lot in your assignment. Till we meet again next time. Bye!